In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to start a community in Reddit. We'll walk through the process step by step so that by the end, you'll have your own subreddit ready for people to join and participate in. I'll also share some simple tips along the way to help you set things up clearly and avoid common mistakes. First, sign into your Reddit account on the website or app. Once you're logged in, look for the option that says Start Community. This is usually found in the sidebar or under the menu where Reddit shows your existing communities. Go ahead and click on Start Community. This is the main button that begins the process of creating your own subreddit. After you click it, Reddit will ask you to select the type of community you want to create. This is where you decide things like whether your community is public, restricted, or private. A public community is open to everyone. A restricted one lets anyone view but only approved members can post. And a private community is only visible to people you approve. Think about how you want people to interact and choose the type that best fits your goals. When you're happy with your choice, click on Next to continue. Now you'll see fields where you can type in your community name and description. This is an important part of the setup. Your community name is what people will see in the URL and in search results, so make it short, clear, and easy to remember. Avoid using brand names you don't own, and try to pick something that clearly reflects what your community is about. In the description box, explain the purpose of your community in simple language. Let people know what they can expect, what topics are welcome, and what kind of atmosphere you're aiming for. A clear description helps attract the right audience and sets expectations from the beginning. Once you've filled in the name and description, take a moment to review what you've entered. When everything looks good, follow the on-screen prompts. Reddit may guide you through additional options such as basic rules, content settings, or other preferences. Just move through each screen, reading carefully, and confirm your choices. When you complete these on-screen steps, your new Reddit community will be created and ready to customize further with rules, a banner, and posts. That's all you need to start a community in Reddit.